Hello, this is another nice prior perhaps from England. Turns very smooth and tight. One of my friends used one of those to focus in CO2 laser. However, could be used to replace the part in a microscope or for many other CNC or laser applications. Has scale on the side, fine tuning with dial indicator, and the travel is about 2 inches of travel. In order to shipping in the small flat rate box, I have to remove this piece, carefully package and send them to you. Priority mail. $7 including the handling. It's very smooth, very nice. It's a heavy piece, close to 2 pounds, and you will see the rack and pinion is in great condition, no damage. I show you the pinion. It's very tight and nice. Thank you.